Hello and welcome, and in this video I'll show you how to change the color palette or the color theme on your ASUS ZenFone 12 Ultra. So the first step would be opening up settings.chrome. So let's find them. And now you have to find a launcher personalization, or you can just hold your finger on the home screen and go to wallpaper and style, same thing. And here you'll find the wallpaper colors, which is the color palette, as well as the basic colors, which are from the default phone colors, and these are from your wallpapers. For example, when you choose that one, your whole the system, as you can see, will change to this color palettes. Now it's blue, for example, now will be black, as you can see. And if you have the themed icons enabled, they will change too. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.